This is A Course of Love, reading 59. We begin with the last paragraph of reading 58, and we're in the chapter called Free Will and Willingness. And so you give to God a little faith and cherish your free will, the true God of all the separated self. You think at times that this was God's mistake, the one weakness in his plan, and one that you would use. At other times, you think that this was but God's curse on you, a thing to tempt you to the life of desperation that you live. But your strongest perception of your free will is of its power. No matter what God wants of you, you can use your free will to rebel and to make your own choices different than those your Creator would make for you. This right to make your own decisions and the power to flaunt them before God is all that makes your little separated self feel powerful at all. You will not see that what you choose to do with your free will matters not to God at all, for what you have chosen to use is for the one thing that it cannot provide, your separation from your Creator. He remains as He is, as you remain as you are. It is true that your free will is powerful, as it is part, but only part, of what has allowed you to believe in your separated state. While you could have used your free will to create like unto your Father, by choosing to make yourself separated from Him, something that would never truly occur, you have chosen instead to do nothing at all with your free will, but make this one insane choice. Your willingness to make a new choice is what will once again make you free, make your free will like unto your Father's will, which is one with it in truth. Your protectiveness of your free will is why we must separate willingness from your perception of free will. Your free will is the last bastion of your separated army, the final line of defense, the site where the final battle will take place. Before this battle is reached, your willingness to change your mind about it need to be fought is what is desired by your Father in this course. God will never wrestle your free will from you or fight battles to win it for Himself. This final battle is in your own mind, and it is a figment of the illusion you have made. Let this prophecy you have made go, and realize that willingness does not negate free will. Yet even while you cannot yet quite give up your guardianship of it, it is sufficient to begin with a temporary choice, though a lasting choice will be required before you feel the shift of cause and quit worrying about effect. For now what you desire are effects. Without realizing, cause must shift to change the effects you would have come about. This matters not at this point. You are offered the opportunity to make a temporary decision that can be rescinded at any time. Your temporary willingness will be enough to begin to affect cause, and in so doing bring some sanity to your restless mind and heart. So this was reading 59, The Course of Love, and it was brought to you through Marie Perron. And it is, of course, Jesus teaching us. And behind it, I have my books, Being and Peace. And they are books to help draw forth your inner wisdom and knowingness. Enjoy today with blessings.